Welcome to my restoration project, my labor of love. Come. So this area used to be full of buckthorn. So my neighbor and I got to work 4 years ago, cutting everything back, removing all the buckthorn, covering the area with cardboard and mulch. We mulched all the buckthorn, planted a whole bunch of seeds along the perimeter of the forest, and that's what you see here. And to our surprise, the rest of the forest, the seed bank was so rich with native seeds. Once the buckthorn was gone, everything thrived. So we have tons of Canada goldenrod, riverbank grape, raspberry, wild strawberry in there. I'll start going through the plants that we planted as seed. Obviously you see tons of brown-eyed Susan. That was the first to pop up. Very gorgeous, adds a pop of color. And some echinacea. And lots of bee balm, which is now going to seed. Lots of black-eyed Susans, which are also now going to seed. And to my delight, we've got biennial Gora, which I'd never heard of, but is listed as vulnerable. And it's quite beautiful. Everything's so tall. They're all competing for the sun. We've got lots of native grasses, which I'm still learning what's what, because there's just so many, and they've gone to seed as well as we approach fall. There's prairie smoke. Lots of milkweed, swamp and common. Lots of golden Alexander. This false indigo, I need to clear out the area around here so it gets some more sunlight. Coneflower here. Got Joe Pye weed, stiff goldenrod. Lots of wild columbine that's spread nicely through here. Wild rye, Indian grass, eastern red cedar, and there are some eastern white cedar trees scattered throughout the forest. And there's bee balm back here. Ironwood, it's purple vervain, pearly everlasting. 3 of these eastern redbud trees. Kentucky coffee tree, a few beech trees, a spruce tree, primrose, my nodding onion, chokecherry, and my favorite, my gray-headed coneflower. It's so tall and always so full of pollinators, and the bees even sleep on this at night.
And I've noticed that it's also one of the more popular plants in the garden for our nighttime pollinators.
Some great blue lobelia.
Lots of self-seeded red osier dogwood all throughout the forest here. And then also this lovely pagoda dogwood. Beautiful. This garden is featured on in the zone and met the criteria to be certified by the Canadian Wildlife Federation. Here to keep some tree snags, piled logs here, fresh water source, stream that runs all along the edge. The long-term plan here is to create a mini microforest, but in the short term, I wanted to create some biodiversity by planting pollinator-friendly plants that would do well in less than ideal conditions. So drought, full sun, clay soil. The ultimate goal is to support all the different species that we have here in Waterloo and create a thriving mini ecosystem.
I hope you've enjoyed the tour of this natural native microforest, and thank you.
And thank you to my talented 7-year-old son, Calvin, for helping me film.